In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a website using Education Zone WordPress theme. This is the demo of Education Zone WordPress theme. There is email, phone number, logo. There's also quick menu, search bar, the primary menu, and this is the banner section with an image and text. There are 4 feature posts or feature area, and there is about us section with stats counter. There's also our feature courses, a call to action section with 2 call to action buttons, why choose a section, and then there is testimonial section, which is a slider, latest posts, this is gallery, then there is the footer section and social media. So we are going to create a website exactly like this. If you haven't already downloaded the theme, you can download it from raratheme.com. Go to raratheme.com and then themes. Then navigate to the free theme sections. Here is free WordPress themes. Then there is Education Zone WordPress theme. Click on download, then provide your email address, first name and last name, and then click on download. Then you'll get a link to download the WordPress theme. After you have downloaded the WordPress theme, you need to install it on your WordPress website, and that is the next step that I'm going to show, how you can install the WordPress theme that you just downloaded on your website. We are going to install Education Zone WordPress theme and set up the website on this domain, tutorial.raratheme.com. You can see here, this is the default WordPress theme that comes with every WordPress installation. We're going to replace this WordPress theme and install Education Zone WordPress theme. So for that, let's go to WordPress dashboard of your website. I'm already logged in. Appearance, themes. Click on add new, upload theme. So you can click on choose file and select a file and install it. But I already have the theme file downloaded and on my desktop, so I'll just drag it, and now let's install it. This will just take a few seconds. Okay, so the theme is successfully installed. Now let's go and activate it. Okay, so we have the Education Zone WordPress theme activated. Now let's see how it looks on the front page. Okay, you can see here the look has changed. However, this doesn't look like the demo. Now we are going to set up everything so that this website looks exactly like the demo. The first thing that we need to do is we need to set up the home page. And to do that, let's go to dashboard again. Then click on pages, all pages. Add new. Give it any title. I'll give it a name, a home. And you need to choose the home page template. This is very important because if you don't choose it, you will not get the layout as you saw in the demo. So choose home page template, then publish it. Then also create another page, blog. And publish it. Then go to appearance, customize, then static front page, select a static page, and for the front page, choose the page that you created with the home page template. So home page was the home page template. So we choose here, and for the post, choose blog and save it. Now let's go and see how it looks. Alright, so this looks different than before setting up the homepage template. Now this is the starting point, and we have already set up the homepage template. Now let's go and set up the header and the menu and all the section of the website. Let's take a look at how the header looks in the demo section. I'll just cross this. So this is the demo, and you can see here there is a menu, phone number, there is a quick menu, and the logo, and there is a search bar and primary menu. So we're going to set up the header first. To do that, let's go back to dashboard, appearance, and customize. Default settings. So site identity, you can change your website logo. If you want to upload a logo, you can select a logo from here, and then select a file which is your logo, and you can upload a logo. Or you can also have site title. For now I'll put it Education Zone. This is video tutorial. And then you can also add site icon if you want to, but for now I'll save it. Then let's go back and add phone numbers. So your email address, it could be test@example. Similarly, you can add your phone number. So you have your email address and phone number. However, we don't have our search, quick menu. So you can see here there's a quick menu. So let's go and create a menu. So for that, we need to go back to the dashboard again and create a menu. So appearance, menu. So give it a name. So this could be top menu. And then you can add more pages here. For example, I'll just put it here, home, blog. You can find many tutorials on how to create the menu. Since we haven't created any pages, I would just put this empty, and later on we can come back here and add more menu. So for now, let's just publish this, save this, and let's go back again and see whether it works or not. So customize. For the menu, we need to go to the menu here, and so there's two locations, primary and secondary. So this is the secondary menu, and this is the primary menu. So when you choose, if you have created two menus, you can choose two different menus. For now, I have created just one menu, so I'll just put it like top menu, and then same menu on secondary menu as well. Now let's take a look how that works, how that looks. Okay, so we have email address, phone number, we have quick menu, we also have the logo and search bar. So our header part is completed. Now I'm going to show you how to create the banner section and the for feature section. So let's go back to customizer again. So appearance, customizer. So that is the homepage setting. So let's go to the homepage setting and banner section. So first we need to enable the banner section. So let's enable this. And we need to select a post. So we haven't created any post. So let's go ahead and do that. So to create the post, we'll go back to the dashboard. Okay, just save and publish this. And let's go back to dashboard and create a post. So add a new post here. Okay, so let's look at the demo. We'll just copy this. Copy it here. Okay, and then we need to add a feature image to this. You can upload feature images by selecting here, or I already have feature images, or I already have images in the media, so I'll just select from it. So let's go and find that image. So yeah, this is the image. So let's go and select this. So we have it here, and now publish it. Now let's go back to customizer again. Banner section. So we choose the post. Discover your future with us. Yes, now we have this. And if you want to change the call to action button, you can change it. So let's say continue reading. Save and publish. Now we will set up this for feature section. To do that, let's go back to the information section. So first of all, we need to enable this section, enable this, save and publish, and then we need to create 4 posts. So sorry, so we haven't created 4 posts, so let's go and do that. So we go back to the posts, add a new post, and so let's just copy the same thing here, future students, and description, and we need to add an image. You can see here there is an image, small icon, so we need to do that. So there are many images, you can choose anyone. So this is the image, and publish. Let's create another post, and this time our community. Copy that. And let's add the feature image again. This is the feature image. Publish. So this is the curriculum. Another post, and we add feature image again. Publish it. Now we're going to create the 4th and the last post for this section. Alright, we have a mistake here, so I'll just delete all of this. Alright, so we have the 4th post. Now let's add the feature image. Okay, so we have the fourth post ready. Now let's go back to appearance and customizer. Homepage settings, information section. So enable information section is clicked. Now let's select the post. Future students, best curriculum, flexible timing, and our community. Let's save and publish this. Now let's refresh this page, the demo page, and see how it looks. Okay, so we have the banner section, and we are also able to create the feature section. Now we'll go and set up the About Us section with the stat counter. To set up the About Us section with stat counter, let's go back to customizer again. So okay, so here's a welcome section, About Us section. So we need to first enable this. So let's enable this and select a page, which means we need to create a page with similar text. So let's go and do that. So I'll just go from here. Let's go to dashboard, page, add a new page. Welcome to the university. And copy the description as well. Okay, so here is no feature image, so you do not need to add a feature image. You can simply publish this. Okay, let's reload the customizer. Homepage setting, welcome section, and choose the page that we just created. Okay, so we have this section here about welcome to the university. Now let's go and add a stats counter. The first stats counter number. So let's take a number 145. Subject could be anything, but let's copy this and put it here. Alright, so you can already see we have the first stats counter. Let's do the second one. You don't need to copy paste everything. You can add your own content. The reason I'm copy pasting everything so that it becomes faster to go through this video tutorial. So okay, so we have this last copy paste, save and publish. So we have about section as well with the stats counter. Okay, now let's take a look at what is the next section. So the next section is feature courses. So to set up this, let's go back to customizer again. So feature section. So first of all, again, we need to enable this. And then select page. So we need to select a page, and this is for the page is for description, and there is feature course post first, second, third, and fourth. So we need to create a page first, and then we need to create 4 posts. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll create the first page, and okay, I'm able to copy now. So this is the page we are creating, and okay, so again, this doesn't have a feature image for this section, so we don't need to do that. We don't need to add set feature image. So let's Okay, now this is published. So now let's go back again. So we need to create 4 posts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the post has a title, a description, feature image. So let's go and do that. So we go to post, add new post. Okay, so first is science. So let's do that. Description. I'll just copy, sorry, I just paste this more and more. Okay, so we have more of the text, and then add feature image. So let's look at where is that image. You can select any image, but I'll just select the same image so that it is, you can get the same feel like in the demo. Okay, here's the image, the feature image. Okay, so we have this publish. Let's go ahead and do the second one. So hospitality. Publish. That's the third one. And the last one. So we create a new post again. All right. We'll add some more text, and then set up the feature image. Okay, so we have created the one page and 4 posts. So let's go back and refresh the customizer. We go to homepage setting, feature course section, select the page. So our feature courses, science, hospitality, and then we select the we select the 4 courses, and the 4 courses are here. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the call to action section. So to do this, we need to go back to customizer. So let's refresh the customizer first. Reload. Home page, feature section, extra info section. So we need to, if this is not enabled, you need to enable the extra info section, and then select a page. So we need to create a page first. So let's go and do that. Pages, all page, and we copy this. Okay, so let's publish this. Now let's refresh this page again. Customizer, home page, info section. Okay, so now let's select the page that we just created, university themes, and scroll down. Okay, so we have the title and the description like the demo. Okay, so now we need to have CTA is call to action, first button. So we need to have the label for that. You could put it anything, but for now I'll just put it view premium theme. And then you can give any link here. Similarly, you can add second call to action button. Now let's save and publish this. So you can see here, there's a title, there's a description, and there are two call to action buttons. So we are able to set up the call to action exactly like the demo. Now I'm going to show you how you can set up why chooses section. Now let's go back to customizer again. Why chooses section. So we need to enable this first. So let's enable this, save and publish. And there is a select page, so we need to create a page, and there is choose first post, second post, third post, and fourth post. That means we need to create a page and we need to create 4 posts. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's create the page. Why choose us? And publish this. We also need to create 4 posts, so let's go ahead and do that. And this also has an image, so we need to set up a feature image. I'll just drag this a little bit up. Okay. Publish. We're creating the second post. The third post. And the feature image. And then we need to create the last post for this section. So we have created 1 page and 4 posts. So let's go ahead and refresh this page. Home page setting, why choose a section. Let's go scroll down so that we can see how it looks. Why chooses. Okay, so we can see here, and then let's select the post that we created. Save and publish. Okay, it seems the images are not loaded. Let me check this over to to the actual website. Okay, so images are not loaded, which means we did some mistake when adding that image. So let's go ahead and check what went wrong. Okay, so this is edit. Okay, the feature image is not set here, so we did a mistake. Update. Similarly, let's do both of these. Oh, there is a feature image, so we don't need to do this. And this doesn't have feature image, so we need to add feature image here. And let's also look at this one, intellectual development. This also doesn't have feature image, so we need to add a feature image here. Now let's go ahead and refresh the page. Okay, all the posts have now the images. So yeah, so this is how you can set up why choose a section. Now I'm going to show you how to create and set up the testimonial section. This is a slider. So let's go again to customizer. So this is a testimonial section. So we need to enable the testimonial section first. So let's do that. And then we need to select a page. So let's see a demo what is in the page. There is the title and there is a description. And choose a category. So post has categories, which means we have to create post and we have to give them certain categories. And then we'll select that category from here to select, to display those posts into the testimonial. So let's go ahead and do that. So to create a page, we'll go back to, we can go from here as well. So create a page, new page. And what our students say, this is the description. So we have created the page. Now we need to create post for testimonial category. So let's go ahead and do that. So this name, this is the testimonial description, and then add a feature image. Okay, let's select this image. And then we need to put a category. So let's put a testimonial. Okay, and then publish it. Let's create another post as well. Feature image. Let's select this image here. And then we need to add this post into this category, testimonial category, and then publish it. Now let's go back to customizer and refresh this. Homepage setting, testimonial section, So let's select the page that we created, our student success stories, and let's scroll down so that we can see changes. Okay, so we have title and description. Now let's select the category of testimonial, 7 published. So you can see here we have the testimonial. So this is how you can set up the testimonial section. Now I'm going to show you how to create the blog section here like this. So to do this, let's go back to customizer again, and so blog section, and we just enable this and publish, and there is select a page. So there's a title and there's a description, so we need to create a page with title and description. So let's go ahead and do that. Page, add a new page. And publish this. In order to show article like this, we need to create posts. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have a few posts here already. So this will show in the latest articles or blog post section. So let's go and refresh the customizer. Homepage setting, blog section, and let's first scroll down to the, so let's select our latest article, 7 published. So there's a title, there's a description, and there are posts. This is how you can create the latest post section. Now I'm going to show you how to create the gallery section. To do this, let's go back to customizer again, and let's go to the gallery section. So we need to enable the gallery first, so let's do that. And then we need to select a gallery post, which means that we need to create a post with gallery. So let's go ahead and do that. Add a new post. Let's give it a name, gallery, and then add media. So here, as you can see, create a gallery, and you can select different images to create a gallery. So I have selected a couple of here. Now click on create a gallery and insert gallery. If you want to add a feature image, you can also add a feature image here. For now, I'll just put this image as a feature image. Publish. Now let's go back and refresh the customizer. Homepage setting, gallery, and then let's select the post that we created, that is gallery. Now before that, let's scroll down. Okay, so so we have successfully created the gallery section here. Now I'm going to show you how to create this footer section with social media links. So for this, let's go back to customizer. Actually, we don't need to go to customizer. We need to go to the WordPress dashboard, and then go to appearance and widgets. Education Zone theme comes with 3 footer widgets. So footer 1, footer 2, and footer 3. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So let's go and add this information in footer 1. So that is a text. So you can just drag and drop here. It's a title. This is the footer 1. Save. In footer 2, we have recent articles. So let's recent, so Rara popular post, Rara recent post. So this is the wizard. You can select whether you want to display the thumbnail, or that is image, or not. Similarly the date, I'll just click both of them. And then the third is these are some links to other posts. So let's go ahead and do that. Now these are menus, so we need to create menu first. So let's go and create a menu again. Create a menu. Let's give it a name. And then we can add courses over here. So let's save and publish. Now let's go back to wizard again. So we need to add courses in the footer 3. So for that we need to select custom menu and select the courses. If you want to give a title, you can do that. So here is a title, so I'll copy paste the same. Okay, now let's go ahead and see the website, how it looks. Okay, so we have got the 3 widgets. Now we need to add the social media. And to add the social media, we need to go to Customizer, through Appearance, Customize. So here is social media setting. Enable social links. And then you can add social media links here. Let's go ahead and see this, how it looks. So you can see we already have 2 social media. Similarly, you can add more social link in the footer. So this is how you can set up the footer section and social media in Education Zone WordPress theme. With this, we have completed setting up homepage using Education Zone WordPress theme. So let's go back and take a look at what we have created. So we are at tutorial.raratheme.com. Let's refresh this and okay, so we have the header, the banner section, for feature section, about us with stats counter, feature courses, a call to action section with 2 call to action buttons, why choose us, testimonial section, which is a slider, the latest articles, gallery, the footer with social media link. This is how you can create a website using Education Zone WordPress theme. I hope you have found the tutorials helpful. If you have any questions or confusion, you can contact us for support. For that, go to raratheme.com and click on support and fill this contact form. If you're looking for more features in Education Zone theme, then you can check out the premium version. For that, you go to themes and here is the premium version. You can also check out the comparison table here to know what is included in the free themes and what is included in the premium theme. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have found this helpful and I wish you a very wonderful day.